Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you seen by the thumbnail and read the title, I'm going to be showing you guys an easy, simple hairstyle to do when you're on the go. This hairstyle literally takes under 5 minutes with only using 2 products. So if you're interested, definitely keep on watching. But before we even get into this video, don't forget to give this video a like, comment down below, let me know that you stopped by, and I want to know your name, where you're from, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed by now. But let's just hop into this video.
Hello. First things first, you gotta shake your hair and you literally have to dance. So dance. Anyways, let's get into this tutorial. First things first, you're gonna need some gel, edge control, a shoelace, drawstring, spray bottle, and a brush. Next, as you guys can see, I'm just grabbing small amounts of hair from my bangs. You don't need a lot of hair because for me personally, when I pull out too much hair, my hair tends to puff back up really fast throughout my day. So definitely take little sections. But next, as you guys can see, I grab my shoestring. Now all I'm doing is just tying it to my head. When you're tying your shoestring to your hair, you don't have to do it tightly. I don't do mine tight at all. Now if you want to go for a tighter, more sleek look, I would definitely tie it just a bit tight, but not too tight and where you have a headache, okay? I am fluffing out my puff just a little bit, and then I'm tucking the shoestring underneath my hair. Next, I'm grabbing my gel and spray bottle. First, I'm going to spray my hair with some water, and then I'm going to go in with the gel. Now I'm just applying the gel onto my hair and really just starting to mold my bangs. So you want to grab the bangs as you go along the brush. What did I just say? Commercial break, y'all. Why am I like this? This is me for real. Like, my words literally get jumbled up and I just start talking about stuff that don't even make any sense. Like, I am so sorry, but back to the video. So you just honestly want to brush and sleek up your hair until you feel that it's molded enough to sit. And as you guys can see, I'm just tucking the rest of my hair underneath my ear. Now you could bobby pin your hair up into your ponytail, but I don't have no more bobby pins, so like we gotta tuck it beneath our ears. And then I'm just going to do the same thing to the next section. So just apply the gel onto my hair, brush it up and mold it, and I'm using both my brush and hands to make sure that everything is secure and neat and just all of that good stuff. And then next, I'm going to apply my edge control to really just make sure that my bangs stay all throughout the day. Now, you could apply as much as edge control as you want. You don't have to be stingy with it. Me personally, I ain't have to apply that much because wash day is definitely near. But yeah, after you apply your edge control, that's really about it. You can continue to play around with your bangs and your edges and just mold it and shape it into how you would like. The last and most important step is to make sure that you tie it with a scarf. Okay, but other than that, that's really the hairstyle tutorial. Nothing too crazy, nothing too major. Like I said, this took me about under 5 minutes. So like, yo, I'll see you in the video.
Got your shit, and look who's paying you. Why you ain't okay on me? Now you wanna play games on me. Never love somebody the way somebody loves you. Ooh, that special feeling.
This song is dedicated to my future husband.
Baby, I'm yours if you need me.
Alrighty, my concert is over. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial and watching me have a concert all by myself, because this is what I literally do. When I'm by myself, I have parties, and I think that you should do the same. As you guys can see, we got the natural hair out. I only use 2 products. I suggest using a lot of edge control to really slick down your hair so it can lay down. I only put a little bit because I'm not gonna be out for a long time. But two products I used, as you guys seen, was the Edge Control by Style Factor. I think this is my all-time fave. And then my second fave Edge Control is by Kiss. Then I went in with the Extreme Gel. So I really, like I said, I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. I actually need to buy some more. But it was so nice having you here. I literally like appreciate you so much. You just don't know what you mean to me. Like, it means so much. Okay, sorry. Anyways, I'm feeling like a baddie. Hey, baddie. Okay, sorry. Y'all, this is a headband. This ain't no necklace. Oh, let's see if we can put it down right here. It's cute. What you think? I don't think so. Anyways, no, I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. Like I said, don't be stingy with the Edge Control. Definitely put a lot. But it is near wash day. Typically, I don't do these types of hairstyles because I'm on a natural hair growth journey and where I am protecting styling all throughout 2025. We've been protective styling all year, but I want to continue on this journey. But wash day is literally near, so I don't mind putting Edge Control and gel on just the front part of my hair. As you guys seen, I didn't even gel up the back of my hair because I can't see the back of my hair, so like that don't really bother me because I can't see it. I can only see the front. The back don't really got nothing to do with me. But hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a like, comment down below, let me know that you stopped by, and subscribe if you want me to continue to do different natural hairstyles when I am near wash day. And I will see you guys most definitely in my next video. Bye.